Hello, my name is Jeremy McDonald and I'm the Manager of Engineering at Sheldon Manufacturing. I'm going to walk through the main features of our Bactron line of anaerobic chambers, and I'm going to show you how to get started using the chamber. Before I'd start, I'd like to point out a feature of the Shellab Bactron line that is very important and where we hold a unique advantage over other chamber manufacturers. That is, the Bactron family is produced in an ISO 9001-2008 certified factory, where we successfully maintain our safety certifications to the EN 61010 standard, which impart a US, Canadian, and European safety approval. The Bactron line of chambers is a completely integrated ergonomic workstation for labs requiring samples to grow in an oxygen-free environment. All the components, the incubator, the pass box, the vacuum, and catalyst are all included with the unit. After installation, it's basically plug and play and start working. I'll walk you through the startup steps in a moment, but one of the most common questions we hear is how are the anaerobic conditions maintained inside the Bactron chamber? We use a palladium catalyst with our new ergonomic grip to constantly scrub the workspace of oxygen. The palladium binds with oxygen and hydrogen and converts it into water and constantly acts as a scavenger. The unit also maintains a positive pressure, which prevents any oxygen diffusion inside the chamber. Lastly, we construct our chamber out of stainless steel as opposed to some of our competitors which create their chambers out of vinyl and plastic. The Shellab Bactron pass boxes come in sizes that will hold from 90 to 252 plates, and the incubators will hold from 100 to 900 plates. In addition, the users can order different size sleeves and cuffs to fit our ergonomic arm port doors. The incubator temperature is also widely adjustable from 5 degrees C above ambient to 70 C and is independent from the workspace. Lastly, all of our chambers come with an LED light integrated that's independently adjustable. Now I'll walk you through how to get started using your anaerobic chamber. The first thing we're going to talk about is how to use the pass box. The pass box has 2 doors and is a sealed chamber that will help you transition samples from the outer ambient air atmosphere into the anaerobic workstation. Both inner and outer doors work exactly the same with sensors. It's a single push button operation that will allow you to run in a complete cycle, which vacuums in gases from 4 to 18 inches of mercury. Once the doors are sealed and you push the button, 4 minutes later, the pass box will be anaerobic and you can bring samples into the workstation. Each chamber is redundantly controlled with overtemp protection and a digital display. Each incubator can be adjusted to a single tenth of a degree. Now I'd like to walk you through the use of the arm port doors and entry into the anaerobic workstation. The end user will insert their arm into the sleeve, and using the foot pedals they will evacuate the sleeve to 18 inches of vacuum and replace it with anaerobic mixed gas. After they do that cycle 3 times, they can open the inner arm port door and then gain entry into the anaerobic workspace. Some of the optional accessories for the Bactron line of anaerobic chambers are an anatox fan, which is activated charcoal, which will absorb the volatile organic compounds and volatile sulfur compounds in the workspace and maintain the life of the palladium catalyst. You can also get the chamber stand, which comes in a variety of sizes for each model, as well as a dissecting scope for plate inspection.